If you've been looking for a log cabin package that feels like a true getaway, the Bluestone from Home Mart keeps things simple, practical, and timeless. This is a 24 by 32 lofted log cabin shell package with 768 square feet on the main floor, additional lofted living space, and large feature windows designed to bring in plenty of natural light. It has that classic log cabin feel, but in a manageable size that works for a lot of different uses. The Bluestone could be a vacation cabin, a rental property, a hunting cabin, an accessory dwelling unit, or even a compact full-time retreat. The Bluestone is offered as a shell package, giving you the structure and key materials needed to start bringing the cabin to life. You can also choose from different log styles, so the finished cabin has the look and feel that fits your property. These packages are only available when overstock full logs are available, so inventory is limited and availability can change. If the Bluestone feels like the right fit for your property, contact us today to check current availability, lead time, and shipping options.